Welcome viewers to Oxford Spoken English classes. So today we have one of our student Khushi with us for a podcast. So how are you, Khushi?
I am fine.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
I am a Khushipal. I did D-Pharm at Vidya Bharati College. Now I am
Okay.
doing BSc.
Okay. So it's been 1 month that you are here for personality development communication course and along with that the spoken English course.
Yes, I am here for 2 months.
Okay. Tell me why at first place why you are learning English?
Because I want to improve my personality or I want to improve myself. That's
Okay.
why I am here.
Okay, then after that, it's been 1 month. So tell me about your 1 month experience. What are the things that sir taught you? What are the things that you like the most? Activities and all.
I like the most that is one-on-one discussion and interviews. And when I came here for first day, I was very shy. I can't look at front with people. I can't make eye contact with anyone. I only stare at the screen
Okay.
while giving presentation. Now you have to look my videos. Now it have more difference.
Okay.
First and second video, after 2 months, if you see my video, there is a lot of difference.
There is a lot of different. That's such a great answer.
Okay.
Tell me, what is that one thing which you really like about these classes?
This sir is very friendly because I think in my life I really don't have teacher like that
Okay.
until now, because that's why I rejoined this class.
Okay. So, tell me, give any specific reason why one should learn English from Oxford?
Because there is a sir teaches us sir taught us wonderfully and he explained it very beautifully. And you have, when you see the active or passive voice video,
Okay.
you learn it in only 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That is a great thing.
Yes.
Because in our childhood, every teacher has taught us active or passive voice until we didn't get it. Now after join this class, I get the topic of active or passive voice.
Okay. Means now you have the clarity what is active voice and
Now
passive voice
yes, I have the
since
clarity.
from childhood. Okay, that's very interesting to hear. Now tell me, if you have to suggest your friend about Oxford classes, then what would you suggest her?
I would suggest her to join this class because she wants to improve her English also, and she is very talented person and she also speak
Okay.
English fluently. But after joining this class, I think she will go another level.
Okay.
That's
From
why.
day one till today, what are the changes that you see in yourself that you are very proud of?
In my first day I came in this class, I was very shy. I can't look at the papers. Now when I am giving presentation, I look at everyone. I build my self confidence also. That's it.
Okay. So, what are the activities that you have participated in?
Debate, interview, public speaking, presentation, all the activities, and sometimes of game also.
That's very nice.
Okay.
So, from all of these activities, you mentioned various activities.
Okay.
What is your favorite activity, and why it is important to boost your confidence in English?
Because if you don't have confidence among the people, you will lose yourself
Yes.
and you will lose your personality.
Yes.
That's why you have to build your confidence first. And second thing, I like the activity that is that the game we play,
Okay.
like Antakshari. I want to really I really play that game again.
So, you really like the Antakshari. Oh,
Uh,
can you elaborate? You were speaking. You were playing like normally, like other
there
people.
is there is some word or there is some present tenses question.
Okay.
You have to give tenses sentences to
Okay.
each team.
Okay.
There are three teams,
Okay.
3 or 4 teams. first time you they speak in English, you translate. If your number is second, you have to translate that in English.
Okay.
And if you got that wrong, you also lost that score or points.
Okay.
And that's why I really enjoy that
So
game.
second person has to translate it means first person was
There
speaking in
are-
Marathi.
Yeah, they're speaking
Okay.
in Marathi, and sometimes say in second round they start giving sentences English. So you have to translate in Hindi also.
Okay.
Huh.
That's such an interesting game. Okay.
Okay.
So to improve your English, what do you do apart from these classes?
I really practice it. In this class, we have one-on-one conversation and communication skill class also, and that's why I practice it here very well.
Okay. So can you summarize all your 1 month experience in just few lines?
It is very wonderful experience. I can't express that feeling. That's why I'm sitting here. I build my confidence and improve my personality. That's why I also like that be here and not sit in my home and doing something. That's I like. That's why I'm here today.
Okay.
And I am very wonderful to have me in to sir to teach. I am very wonderful to I meet this sir, and until now I can't have teacher who is the behavior of sir, matlab who is like that. Sir have a very wonderful behavior, but I can't meet that teacher who is having behavior like so.
Okay, okay. That's such a nice thing.
Okay.
Where do you see yourself in after completing this course?
I am seeing myself above the level or above the someone who can't speak English.
Okay, okay. It's very nice to talking to you.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
Khushi.
you. Thank you.